How to automate WhatsApp Business in 2024. In this video, you will get the complete overview and even step-by-step guides for all of these options. Maurizio, I would say let's dive directly into it. What are our options to automate WhatsApp Business?
Yeah, I would say we start with the easiest one from our side.
Yeah.
WhatsApp automations directly in Superchat.
Mm-hmm.
Next one, I would say WhatsApp automations through Zapier.
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp automations through Make.
Mm-hmm.
And last one, WhatsApp through our own API.
Okay, plenty of options. We will invest 2 or 3 minutes into each option so you really get a concise, brief overview. Let's start automating WhatsApp Business with Superchat. So you go into Superchat. This is mainly for the use case you have incoming WhatsApp messages, sales, recruiting, marketing, whatsoever, and you kind of want to qualify them and move them to the right department, to the right contact list for marketing. So you can imagine if you click on new automation in Superchat, this is the interface. You can say incoming WhatsApp message. If there's a new message, we have the option to send a message with quick replies. Prospect clicks on A, and this should happen. So you can build whole flows within WhatsApp with the Superchat automation feature.
Perfect.
Yeah, this is option number 1. You have your Superchat account, you have the WhatsApp Business API connected, you're good to go. Second option, you want to integrate with another software provider. This could be done via Zapier. Could you tell us a little bit more about this option?
Yeah. I think if you haven't used Zapier yet, Zapier is like a no-code solution to actually connect different apps. So for example, you say you want to use HubSpot, Typeform or something like this, and you want to connect it to Superchat to send automated WhatsApp messages. This is for what you need Zapier for. Mm-hmm. And Zapier is very, very simple too. You always have a trigger event. Let's use the case for HubSpot. Let's say a new contact is created in HubSpot. Okay. We want to say or send him a little welcome message.
Nice.
So a new lead comes in, contact is created. Next step, send a WhatsApp message. That's it.
Okay, so we just need Zapier account, HubSpot, new contact, Superchat, send WhatsApp message. Understood. Yeah. This would be perfect for the use case that I have other software system. I get incoming leads via Facebook lead ads, Typeform, and I want to send out a WhatsApp message and kind of start a conversation there.
Yep.
Understood. What does Make offer in comparison to Zapier?
Yeah, I think Make and Zapier are very, very similar. They have like a lot of tools. I think they have like 4,000 different tools where you can connect actually with Superchat and WhatsApp. Mm-hmm. I think Make is a little bit more flexible. If you have some coding knowledge, I think you can do a little bit more on the code. But in general, it's very, very similar. So here we could have a look at the same use case. Like we also use HubSpot, contact created, we send a Superchat message. So it's very, very similar to the Zapier use case. Mm-hmm. Some prefer Zapier, some prefer Make.
Yeah, maybe for our customers from the EU who care about GDPR compliance, this is perfect. Make is GDPR compliant if you set up it the right way. Superchat as well. So you could potentially use or like automate WhatsApp Business GDPR compliant, just as a little side note. Coming to our last point, right? Our own Superchat API. Endless possibilities. Could you give us a brief overview? What could you potentially do with the Superchat API?
Yeah, I think the Superchat API is for people who have a little coding knowledge or who say like, okay, I have a developer or someone who wants to automate an own custom solution with Superchat.
Nice.
For example, you say like, okay, I have my own CRM system or I have my own website where I want to automate some things. Mm-hmm. This is what the API is made for. Mm-hmm. And our API, I think, is very, very easy because like I sometimes automate things with our API because Toby, who actually developed it, he made it very, very easy. So if you're a developer or if you have a developer, I think our API is there for any other use case that is not possible through Make or Zapier or Superchat.
You just saw this beautiful automation documentation. You can also find this online. So to sum it up, Maurizio, if you want to automate WhatsApp Business, use Superchat. You got 4 options in the end, using the own automation feature within Superchat, connect other software providers, no code via or low code via Zapier or Make. And if you want complete freedom, you could even use Superchat's API to completely build your own solutions on top of it.
Yeah, I think if you want to start, very, very easy. Set up a Superchat account, 5 minutes. You have your WhatsApp API number running, And then if you want to, you can directly start automating in Superchat or through our API.
And I think this is one of the most important Superchat value propositions. We got a customer service that is going to help you. So if you set up an account, you got the option straight away to book a consultation with one of the Superchat experts who is going to help you setting up Superchat, WhatsApp Business, or make the WhatsApp Business API running within less than 5 minutes, check, but also who is going to help you to set up Zapier and Make, or even the own API, all done via Superchat. I would say thanks a lot, Maurizio, for your valuable input, and to you, happy automating WhatsApp Business with Superchat.